Hi everyone, this is Vivek Dwivedi, 4th year integrated MSc in chemistry at NISA. In this video, I am going to discuss a very important thing. A lot of students have been coming out to me, a lot of students, and telling me that Bhaiya, I really want to join your course for 1 year for preparation of NEST, IIT or KVPY, but they have already joined some coaching, maybe for JEE and for medical. And obviously there was no such coaching or course available for NEST, IIT or KPY preparation. Now what is my viewpoint? So actually I have been telling them individually what is my viewpoint. Let me share with you all, and it is a very important thing which I want all of you to know, that first of all, if your priority is research, okay, if your priority is research, let me show you a clip from one of the interaction session of students in our crash course. Here is the clip. Just watch it and write in the comments what did you learn from this clip. Neha, tell me, if this plus is giving bonding, if this minus is giving anti-bonding, then who is giving non-bonding?
Sir, honestly speaking, I'm a NEET aspirant and we are only taught how to write the MOT of fluorine, nitrogen and oxygen and nothing else. Like seriously, we're not taught these all things.
Okay. So thank you for being
So I have
honest.
no idea.
Okay. So no need to say you are understanding when you are not understanding. Very well said, that if you are a NEET aspirant, all you are taught is the electronic configuration, so that when they give you H2, F2 or N2, you just write the
Yes.
molecular orbital configuration, right? Okay.
Yes. Actually, we are made to learn that even how to write the configurations. They just say you just mug it up because yehi teen aana hai, so just learn it anyhow.
Neat.
Just don't care for anything else.
Yeah. It's
So,
not
yeah.
your fault, guys. Now, what do you see? A NEET aspirant telling me that she did not learn molecular orbital theory properly. All her teachers or her coaching taught was, just to by heart the electronic configuration of fluorine, nitrogen, oxygen, like that, because that is only what is going to come in the exam of NEET. So a lot of people, what they think is that IIT will be level of JEE mains or NEET level. Similarly, they think that next exam is going to be similar to JEE advanced level. So maybe you can substitute a course of JEE advanced or JEE mains or NEET for preparation of NEST and IIT. I first want to make this clear that yes, that will be helpful. It will help obviously because you are learning the concept there. It will be helpful. But if you want to secure really good ranks, as you saw this time in the counseling of third round, the third round counseling ended at 222 rank. In earlier it used to be at least 500. Can you imagine how good rank you need to get in NEST exam? And do you think that is possible with preparation of JEE advanced? I personally think no. Also the same question, let me just answer it properly, that if your priority is research, if your priority is coming to NISER or coming to ISER or IACS, any of the research colleges, if your priority is research, I think instead of asking me whether to join my course, you should instead ask your other JEE coachings or other coachings for refund. And which is not possible obviously, because why would they even refund you? Because that was not why you joined their coaching, and they don't have all these policies. So the problem is that you have already spent the money. It is totally normal. If I was in your situation, if I was in class 11th or 12th, if I knew about NEST exam, I would have taken some JEE coaching, for example. But if some new coaching would have come, like mine, some new courses for 1 year for preparation of NISER or ISER, then it would be hard for me, yeah, like, because I have already paid it. I have already paid the fees, so obviously it is hard for me. And with that perspective also, I'm considering that you choose for yourself. If you're like that, okay, you are fine with JEE coaching or NEET coaching for NISER, ISER, obviously it will help you somewhat. But from my experience personally, I have seen, and you can see in the clip as well, that it will help you, but not so much. Like obviously the probability of getting ISER or NISER will be more if you prepare specifically for ISER or NISER. If you're preparing for JEE through those JEE coachings, obviously you will have more probability of getting JEE through those coaching instead of my coaching, right? If I am teaching you for IIT or NEST exam, obviously it is not good for JEE advanced. It will not help you to get so great rank in JEE advanced. But same way, if you're preparing for JEE advanced pattern, if you're really used to that level of questions, solving those kind of questions, research questions are very different. Okay, let me tell you, they are very different. You can even see the questions. I have been making my mock test. I have shown a demo class. So they really want you. They will mix the concept of molecular orbital theory in chemical reactions of organic. They will mix the molecular orbital theory with the mechanism of the organic reactions. It is really in-depth question. They want you to think like a scientist, not like an engineer. Okay, JEE Mains and Advanced is for engineering. IIT, NEST, IACS, KVPY, these are for science and research. So the kind of question, the way our professors are going to make the questions are going to be very different. They want you to think like a scientist, not like an engineer, just apply the formula or, think in different way and just find out the solution. They want you to think in depth that why is even that particular concept possible? Why is even that reaction happening? So from my experience, it's your choice. But actually, I would suggest you, if your priority is research, if your priority is NEST, IIT, KVPY or science exams, I would rather prefer my course, even if you have paid it. Later, I don't want you to all regret. That's why I'm making this video. I don't want all of you to, regret that. Actually, a lot of people have told me. I'm not bragging about myself. You have seen my selections. A lot of people have been telling me that they could not get NICER just because they could not score SMAS in particular section. And they told me, I wish I had known about your course earlier. So I'm like, fine, I had earlier told you that you should not regret. I will obviously not suggest to, buy my courses if you're preparing for JEE or NEET, because that is wrong from my side. But it is your choice. Anyway, those coachings are not promising you that you will get NICER or ICER, right? They will prepare you for JEE. So that is your choice. You have paid money. If you just want to be there, it's fine, totally up to you. And if you can afford just 8K more for 1 year, and you have already seen all the features we are having, so many extra things we are doing. We are going to track your performance, the great study material is specifically focused for research student. So the materials we are going to have is for research student. It will make you to think like a scientist. Whether you have taken JEE Mains or coaching, JEE Advanced coaching or NEET coaching, NEST exam or IIT exam, they don't care about it, right? They don't care which coaching are you going. All they care about is how much rank you are getting. And obviously you can decide for yourself that for research, is JEE or NEET coaching enough? If you think fine, totally go there. I won't force you to come to my course or anything like that. It's your decision. From my experience, personally, I'm telling you, obviously my course will much more, like it will increase your probability of selection much more. Really, really high. You have already seen my selections. Rest is up to you. So with that, all the best wherever you go. With that, see you at ICER, NICER, CBS or IAC. Bye-bye.